Leafy green vegetables such as spinach, kale, and broccoli play a foundational role in supporting brain health because they deliver a concentrated spectrum of micronutrients that protect neurons, enhance cellular communication, and slow age-related cognitive decline. These vegetables are particularly rich in folate, a B vitamin that is essential for brain metabolism and the maintenance of healthy neural tissue. Folate is required for 1-carbon metabolism, a biochemical pathway involved in DNA synthesis and repair, as well as in the regulation of homocysteine levels. Elevated homocysteine is associated with increased risk of cognitive impairment and neurodegenerative disease, as it can damage blood vessels and interfere with normal neuron function. By providing abundant natural folate, leafy greens help keep homocysteine in check, support proper blood flow to the brain, and preserve the integrity of neurons, which translates into better attention, memory, and overall cognitive efficiency. Vitamin K, another standout nutrient in leafy greens, contributes to brain health in ways that are often overlooked but increasingly supported by research. Vitamin K is involved in the synthesis of sphingolipids, a class of fats that are major components of brain cell membranes. These lipids are essential for maintaining the structure and function of neurons, particularly in regions involved in learning and memory. Adequate vitamin K intake has been linked to better verbal memory and executive function in older adults, suggesting that this vitamin plays a role in preserving mental sharpness as the brain ages. By supporting the lipid architecture of brain cells, leafy greens help ensure that neural signaling remains efficient and resilient over time. Beta-carotene, the precursor to vitamin A found abundantly in spinach, kale, and broccoli, adds another layer of cognitive protection through its antioxidant properties. Beta-carotene helps neutralize free radicals that can damage brain cells and impair synaptic communication. Long-term oxidative stress is a major driver of cognitive aging, gradually weakening memory and processing speed. By reducing this oxidative burden, beta-carotene supports long-term brain health and may help preserve cognitive performance well into older age. Vitamin A derived from beta-carotene also plays a role in gene expression related to brain development and plasticity, further reinforcing the importance of leafy greens for both brain maintenance and adaptability. Lutein, a carotenoid highly concentrated in leafy green vegetables, is one of the most brain-specific antioxidants found in the human diet. Lutein accumulates in brain tissue, where it helps protect neurons from oxidative damage and inflammation. Higher lutein levels in the brain have been associated with improved cognitive performance, particularly in areas such as processing speed, attention, and memory. Unlike many antioxidants that act broadly throughout the body, lutein appears to preferentially support neural tissue, making leafy greens uniquely valuable for cognitive protection. This is especially important in aging adults, as lutein levels in the brain tend to decline with age unless actively replenished through the diet. Leafy greens also indirectly support brain health by improving vascular function. Healthy cognition depends on consistent blood flow and oxygen delivery to brain tissue, and the nutrients in these vegetables help maintain flexible blood vessels and reduce inflammation in the circulatory system. Improved cerebral blood flow enhances nutrient and oxygen delivery to neurons, supporting mental clarity, focus, and sustained cognitive performance. This vascular support is one reason regular consumption of leafy greens has been associated with a slower rate of cognitive decline in large population studies. Long-term observational research consistently shows that people who eat leafy green vegetables daily experience significantly slower cognitive aging compared to those who consume them infrequently. Some studies equate the cognitive benefits of regular leafy green intake to being several years younger in brain age. These findings highlight that leafy greens do not merely offer short-term mental benefits, but actively contribute to preserving brain structure and function over decades. When consumed regularly, whether raw, lightly cooked, or blended into meals, spinach, kale, and broccoli function as powerful nutritional allies for the brain. Their combination of folate for metabolic stability, vitamin K for brain lipid formation, Beta-carotene for antioxidant defense and lutein for neuron-specific protection creates a synergistic effect that supports memory, learning, and long-term cognitive resilience. Rather than acting as a single nutrient solution, leafy green vegetables provide comprehensive, ongoing support that helps the brain remain sharp, adaptable, and protected throughout the aging process.